Okay, I'm going back to my watermelon trellis. This is the first time I've ever grown a watermelon, and the first time I've ever grown a watermelon on a trellis. So I didn't really know what I was doing, but the experts on YouTube say the time to pick a watermelon is when the little tendril closest to the watermelon dies. And this is like a trellis tunnel. This is a tomato I have growing on it, and see my giant zinnia. I love it. It's almost as tall as I am. Anyway, I got this at Gardener Supply for $99, and my watermelon have gotten these like rust, mildew, something on them. So if any of you expert gardeners out there want to let me know what I did wrong here, do tell. I haven't really researched it yet. I'm not sure why the leaves turn like that, but I'm sure someone out there does. So please leave some advice for me in the comments. Okay, so here's my watermelon that's ready. It's hanging on this little net basket that I just tied right to the trellis like that. And you can see there's the net. And I tied it on the other side, just nothing too scientific. I just tied it up. And see, here's my watermelon, and here's that little dead tendril. So that tells me this watermelon's ready. So I'm gonna cut it. And hopefully it'll just fall right into this net. Here we go. Boom. I've cut you loose, young feller. All right, we're gonna cut them open and see how this one tastes.